Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a term description in WordPress step by step, even if you're a beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to edit and update term descriptions like a pro and make your site look more organized and SEO friendly. So stay tuned. This guide is going to make the process super simple for you. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to your WordPress website. At the top right corner, you'll see a login option. Click on that. Now, instead of typing in your credentials manually, choose Continue with Google. This not only makes signing in faster, but it's also more secure. If you have multiple Google accounts linked, just pick the one connected to your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard, the main control center of your website. Navigating to the site editor, next, find the Edit Site Quick Link site. Quick link on your dashboard. Clicking this will open the site customization area where you can make changes to your pages, layouts, and other elements. If you manage multiple sites under one account, make sure to select the specific website you want to modify. Adding the term description block now. It's time to add the term description. In the editing interface, look towards the top left corner and click on the plus icon plus. A search bar will appear. Type term description into that bar and you'll see the block option appear below. Click on it to add it to your desired page or section. For example, your category or tag archive page. This block is where your taxonomy description will show up. Perfect for giving context about your categories or tags. Editing and saving your description. Once the term description block is placed, click inside it to start editing. Write a short, clear, and informative explanation of what that term or category represents. You can format the text, add links, or even include keywords if you're optimizing for SEO. When you're happy with how it looks, move to the top right corner and click Save. This will finalize your changes and publish them to your live website. And that's it. Your term description is now added and visible to your visitors. So that's how you easily add a term description in WordPress. Quick, simple, and totally beginner friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy customizing!